Nothing hurts like dealing with silent treatment in a marriage. It is a devastating experience whereby you are in the same house with your husband or wife, but they have decided for one reason or the other, they are not willing to communicate with you. It can be painful because you don't understand the kind of struggle they are going through, and also to the other partner, it can hurt them emotionally because there will be a disconnect, because communication is a very key component of any given marriage. Now, this is what you do. Number one, initiate communication. When you realize that they're not willing to say anything at that given time, be considerate, don't be judgmental. For example, you might ask them, of late I've realized you have been very minimal as far as communication is concerned, and I would like us to talk about this. Be very reasonable at that given time, because you have not yet established what is happening. Number two, stay calm. Stay calm. Don't be reactive. Most of the times when people go silent on us, we start reacting. We start being reactive because we feel they are punishing us. Don't be reactive at that given time. Number three, if you realize this is something that they keep doing, it is repetitive, you can set healthy boundaries. You can set very healthy boundaries, and also you make your stance known as far as that marriage is concerned. That this is a trend that I've noticed has been happening every month or sometimes after 2 months, and I'm not comfortable with this. I'm not really comfortable with this. Lastly, everything when done in the wrong timing will not yield anything. So get to do all these things in the right timing. Ask them within the right timing. Sometimes you might be angry. Don't ask them questions when you are angry. Sometimes you might see that the atmosphere within your family is not right to engage in such talks. So sometimes you just pull back for some time and you wait for the right timing to engage in this kind of talk. And also it becomes important to look at points whereby you disconnected. What exactly happened? Sometimes maybe you were in a heated argument and you said some words that made your partner to shut. Also, it is important, as I keep telling us, get to do a background check of your partner. You might not know them 100%, but at least you'll be having a certain knowledge of how they react when they get angry, of how they handle pressure, of how they handle issues in life. It will be so easy to navigate life with someone you can be able to relate with without them giving you silent treatment.